इस मार्केट में कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है ड्यू टू हाई वोलेटिलिटी। डे स्टार्ट प्रॉफिट से होता है बट एंड रेड में होता है। इज दिस हैपनिंग विद यू डेली एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग विद यू even after so much of reading and lectures and videos? Well, personally, I think actual learning classes में नहीं हो सकती. It happens with practical trading and experience. Lots and lots of people are offering trading courses and investment courses. I'm not saying that they don't know things. Probably they might be knowing much more than me. But 6-7 दिन की क्लासेस से या 1-2 दिन की प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेडिंग से आप मार्केट को नहीं समझ सकते. What I'm sharing with my subscribers is a real time learning. For more than a year now, I have been sharing trades and the reasons behind those trades on real time basis. I share my market view. Along with it, we have an open channel where anyone can ask their queries, and even the members try to make it interactive and learning. So you can be part of that learning curve. यहाँ trading सिर्फ चार्ट देखकर नहीं होती. There is more to every trade. Well, just to give an example, today was a real volatile day, but still we were able to generate decent returns. Just to share, you can see on the screen on the left hand side, we made close to 4.7% today. And this was not just me, even my Telegram subscribers made similar returns. And I'm not charging anything. If you see the screen, you can just notice what are the trades that we shared on the Telegram group on the right hand side. You can see the recording of my today's profits. Typically, intraday traders give lots and lots of weightage to the charts. If reading only chart was giving everything and making you money, then सभी technical course पढ़ते और profitable बन जाते. Similarly, those who just follow fundamentals can't time short-term moves in the market. लोग macros को तो भूल ही जाते हैं. When we take a trade, we give weightage to macros, fundamentals of the companies, technical charts, risk management and capital management and other important factors. So, in upcoming videos, I will be sharing lots and lots of these things about the macros, about the fundamentals, technicals, risk and capital management and other things. As many of you know, with this channel, I am trying to share my knowledge through which you can understand personal finance, trading and investments in much better way. If you are interested in improving your financial future and take better investment decisions, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if the video is helpful. Also, you can be part of our Telegram group. The link is in the description. In the next video, I will cover how you can benefit from any correction in the markets if recession hits global markets, or simply said, make it a profit recession. Till then, as always, happy learning.